With our new Web Content Syndication tool, you can easily showcase always fresh, relevant Hitachi Vantara solutions right on your own website. Turn your website visitors into leads. They are sent directly to you through the Partner Marketing Hub. It's fast, it's easy, and it's just one-time setup with zero ongoing maintenance. All it takes is 3 simple steps. 1. Activate website syndication from the Partner Marketing Hub. 2. Copy the generated embed code. 3. Paste it into a blank page on your website. Click Publish. Showcase our partnership. Capture more leads effortlessly. It's never been easier to showcase our partnership, build your pipeline, and stay in sync with the latest from Hitachi Vantara. Click, copy, paste. That's all it takes. Activate your Web Content Syndication page today. Access the Partner Marketing Hub.